Few things are more frustrating than feeling a draft near your front door. You might notice cool air brushing your feet, uneven temperatures in nearby rooms, or higher heating and cooling use without a clear explanation. While the door itself plays an important role, the real key to preventing drafts is proper installation. For homeowners in Rockford, professional entry door installation is one of the most effective ways to eliminate air leaks and maintain consistent indoor comfort. Why drafts develop around entry doors over time? Doors and frames can shift slightly due to regular use and environmental changes. Seals may wear down, hinges can loosen, and small gaps may form around the edges. In Rockford houses, even a narrow gap around the door frame can allow outside air to enter and indoor air to escape. This constant air movement disrupts temperature balance and reduces comfort. The importance of accurate measurements. Professional installation begins with precise measurements of the existing opening. If a door is even slightly too small for its frame, gaps will remain no matter how much sealing material is added. In Rockford homes, professionals ensure that the new entry door fits perfectly within the opening, eliminating unnecessary space for air leakage. Proper frame preparation. Before a new door is installed, the frame must be carefully inspected and adjusted if necessary. If the frame is not level or square, the door may not close evenly. In Rockford residences, professionals correct alignment issues before securing the new door, ensuring a tight and reliable seal. High-quality sealing and insulation. One of the most critical steps in preventing drafts is properly insulating around the door frame. Professional installers in Rockford apply insulation materials and sealing techniques that block hidden air gaps. This creates a continuous barrier between indoor and outdoor environments. Weather stripping done right. Weather stripping is essential for blocking air along the edges of the door. Improperly installed weather stripping can compress unevenly or leave small openings. Professional installation ensures that weather stripping in Rockford homes fits snugly without interfering with smooth operation. Threshold alignment for complete protection. The bottom of the door is a common source of drafts. Professional entry door installation includes careful threshold alignment to prevent air from slipping underneath. In Rockford houses, this detail plays a major role in maintaining a draft-free entryway. Long-term stability and performance. Doors that are not installed correctly may shift over time, causing seals to loosen and drafts to return. Professional installation in Rockford ensures the door is securely anchored and properly supported. This long-term stability helps maintain airtight performance year after year. Improving everyday comfort. When drafts are eliminated, nearby rooms feel more balanced and comfortable. Rockford homeowners often notice that entryways become more inviting once professional installation is complete. There are fewer cold spots and less need to adjust indoor systems. Supporting energy efficiency. Reducing drafts also supports better overall energy performance. When air leaks are minimized, heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently. For Rockford residents, this means improved comfort and smoother system operation. A smart investment in comfort. A high-quality door alone cannot guarantee draft prevention. Proper installation is essential. For homeowners in Rockford, professional entry door installation ensures precise fit, secure sealing, and long-term reliability. By eliminating gaps and reinforcing alignment, professional installation creates a stronger barrier against outdoor air. The result is a warmer, more comfortable home where drafts are no longer a daily concern.